guys, good morning. It's me, Regine, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I miss doing videos and I miss you also guys, and I'm so sorry for not making videos since I posted in my community. The reason is I have to prioritize with things with my school and store. I keep back and forth to Dumaguete to Payawan, so I made a lot of things to do also guys, so that is the reason why I'm not making videos. So today I am making videos so that for you to be able to see my situations, what I'm doing, live vlogs. And since my family and cousins visited us here in the province, so we've been doing a lot of things. We spent time and many things happened with my family. A lot of serious things happened, but here we go, and we have to reduce our stress guys, and been stressing lately, few days, weeks. And so today is Tuesday. Yesterday I went to Dumaguete in the morning, and late in the afternoon I went back home in the province. And then supposed to be today we have to get back to school for our event, catering event, that is school project. That is our last project in school because I still have 2 months left in school. After 2 months we'll be graduate soon, hopefully guys. So I decided to spend my time with my family today than going there because they are from Gihulngan. They are 5 hours away from my school, my house. So I love to give time with them. So that is the reason. So guys, so we're heading to the waterfalls. It's one of beautiful waterfalls here, and I think you see already in my videos, but we are heading there again because we need to refresh our mind guys, refreshing to a cold water. So yes guys, let's go, see you there. So it's 10 minutes guys, 10 to 5 minutes I think, the distance from the house. It's just neighborhood guys here in the province. What is nice here in the province, we have nearest waterfalls, fresh waterfalls here, and it's accessible, and it's not that far like other waterfalls that very secluded and very trails, so oh my god, everything is changes since the typhoon guys hits here. I think everything is changes here. So wow, I like it because there's no other people here. Welcome to Beatrice Falls. So I really miss vlogging guys because it's been a while I'm not making videos. So I'm so happy that we're here with family, just family alone guys. So it's nice to spend with your family, not every time work. So we have to refresh our mind as well. So anyway, I'm gonna show you around here. It's just very simple waterfalls guys, but we bring some food also because we didn't have breakfast yet, so we have to make or cook lunch later. We are bringing some fish and some rice and some other food. So anyway, I'm gonna show you here. So by the way guys, this waterfalls is 10 minutes from my house. Yes, from my house in this barangay. So it's very accessible place to visit, and if you're coming here in my hometown, don't hesitate to contact me. Feel free to visit this one, and they don't have expensive entrance fee. They only accept donations, so it depends on you how much you give, amount that you may be liking. Anyway, so actually guys, this place is very nice. The temperature is cooler than the city. It's usual here in the province because city is more nicer for like malls, hotels, restaurants, but province, it's nice to spend your time here with your family because it's very refreshing. It's cool, peaceful, and the air is very refreshing. So So the kids really wanted to jump the water. So some might changes here before. They have sets here, they have tables, and everything is changed. Like, you know, local people coming here just to spend their time with the fresh cold water. So it's not like guys, like very standard waterfalls. It is just local waterfalls to be set here. So it's not like so everything changes since typhoons hit, guys. So, oh, JJ. Okay, here's our things here. Some water. Yes, guys, if you're coming here, or did you pray first before jump to the water?
Oh, you pray first.
Oh, you didn't pray first. It's nice, guys, because the kids they are praying first before jumping to the water usually, and I like that character attitude. So we brought some ice box here. There's ice. It's nice to bring some, some ice because it's far in the store here. It's not that far, 3 minutes to 2 minutes away. So anyway, we bring some. I'm gonna put this one. It's so heavy bags. I got some chargers here and power bank. Layo to siya, kas. Dili na to, kas. Naradagay uling sa nara or something. Dito pansit. Janice is making firewood and charcoal. Yes, we bought 20 pesos of charcoal because we are going to grill fish and meat, pork. Yes, self-service. There's no store here, guys, or I mean like food stall here, so you have to bring some.
You're hungry?
Some food. Are you hungry? Huh? What do you want to eat? Donut? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna get some. Which one? Okay. Wait lang ha. This donut, you like donut? Okay, half lang kay masig di mo mahurot. This one kay dili kay siya sweet, kas. Yes. Yummy. My name is Kiwi. Welcome to my vlog. Where are you going? Oh, careful, careful.
Watch out.
Kids loves to swim, guys, all the time. Okay. As you said, you're hungry.
I'm not hungry, so very hungry.
You want donut?
You look for a food.
You want donut?
Donut.
I'm get it, hot it.
What?
Give me a water.
Please.
Please, Dad.
Okay.
Here. Water here, anak.
Cold water, oh.
Oh, the water is pretty cold.
Yes.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Palangga, not there, palangga, just over there.
Yeah, we will do bottle pipe, guys. Make pancit. And we use the organic banana leaf. Kulang ang galan? Uling?
Maglungag na ka doon. Umanhat ko, ha? Doon, ha? Doon ka, kukudong ba? Ako ka po. Hoy, anak mama ni mo ko, ilarga nagsigad? Wala kas mama ni mo nagsigad? Ilarga na siya?
Larga na po yung mama.
Wala.
If you could see that. Oh. It is shadow here. We have to go through. We are going to film the downstairs, but because there are 3 levels of waterfalls here, it just hard to come over here. I mean, if you can see that, that was pretty amazing there. And we'll see here. I'm just very careful, guys, since I don't have water shoes, so we have to use our feet. But we will slow down because, you know, I didn't bring my. So this is how it looks here. Yeah, that was pretty amazing, guys. And I really miss doing this. Tapi we are the level 1 there. This is level 2. Level 3, actually there are level 4 of waterfalls here, but it's kind of, I'm not ready to shower now because we are going to cook for lunch. So I don't know if I could go further there because it's kind of risky. So, and I don't have water shoes, so it's dangerous for me to go there. But it is level 4. There are level 4 of water here, or falls. So if you can see that, that was pretty amazing, guys, flowing here. Yes, we're gonna go down, but very, very, very careful because it is clean water, guys. It's flowing from the irrigations there. And there's farm. And this is how it looks here. I didn't wear my water shoes. And this is how it looks there. That was pretty amazing. It is cold here, guys. The reason is a lot of trees here. Yes, a lot of trees here, and that makes the place cooler because of the trees. You know, so that is the reason why it's very cool. Careful. And you have to be very careful, guys. And this is how it looks here. And there. So these big trees pulled down from the typhoon, guys. So okay, we're gonna explore more, but be careful. The stones is very danlog. Slow down lang. Slow down lang. It's very sharp, guys. So kids love to they love to shower here or swimming here. I mean, it's good, guys. So be careful. So this is how it looks here, guys. That was pretty amazing here. I mean, for affordable price, and it's nice too. And it's fresh water from mountains. And it is surroundings by the trees. Yes, and look at how they are enjoying themselves, guys. And that was the pretty waterfalls right there. And it is surrounded by the beautiful tall trees here. I'll go explore there more. Kibi, are you okay? Did you get hurt? Why you quiet? Hi, girls. Hi, girls.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to my vlog. Kibi is here. This here, before there's a jumping rope there, but I think it's already gone. So, getting picture here. My cousin is so pretty. Katawa.
Hi.
What's up? Dito. Smile. Smile. Sige, katawa. 1, 2, 3. Wow! So if you can see this one, guys, so before it's standing before here, so it is not hard to step here in the waterfalls, because since the typhoon hits here, if you can see that how big these trees, and it just easy broke down here from the land. It's so heartbreaking seeing this one. And this is how it looks here. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh, we're waiting mom. I think mom couldn't come here because she is working in the nursery. Maybe dad and uncle is coming here. So we'll see, guys. Since we don't have cutting board, so we use bottle. Para mag-happy lagi.
Dali, dili. Dili na, dili na oh.
Mẹ. Our lunch.
Tama na sila.
Ayan ito, Pepoy. Boy! Ma, dali na ma.
Ma.
Boy! Ayan ito, Pepoy.
Let's eat.
Eating.
Dig in. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Tapos niya ka atong picture, makakana ito si Mads Mercy. At dito nang kakalo sa Facebook.
Di alam ako gawa kami. Ako mo ang tinapok.
Yung tinapok. Kung dua kayo. Sila man tapok, dahil.
Nakakapan na ko na ng budol fight, kundi mahurot.
Tomorrow guys, I will be heading to Dumaguete because I have a project. We have a project. So tomorrow guys, I'm heading to Dumaguete because we have 3 days of preparation to handle with the cater. It's a birthday event, and because it is our project in school that we have to conduct a catered like for example birthday event or christening event, so we have to handle that one, and that is the last project in school before we are going to graduate. So aside from that project, we have also OJT next month, so we still have 2 months of classes, and after that will begin in school. And I will be staying in Dumaguete for 3 days. Supposed to be today. I'm already there, but I tried to ask permission because my family is here with me, so I have to consider that one. They visited me here, and so tomorrow in the morning I'm gonna head to Dumaguete until Friday. Maybe Friday evening I will be back here, or maybe Saturday morning I will be back here. So I'll see what I can do. So yes guys, that's my life situation, and yes, I keep back and forth Doma to Bayawan, so as usual. And yeah, right guys, time check, it's 4:14 in the afternoon. So we just got back home from the waterfalls that we've been through lately with families, yes, and currently right now we're having coffee with my Cas Janice and sister Jolie Ann, and we're having coffee and bread. Yes, local bread here. Usually guys, in the province we used to get coffee with bread. It's very common here. So anyway guys, you guys have enjoyed the trip with the waterfalls. Did you enjoy, Cas?
So much fun. Yes, of course.
Yes guys, and my Cas Janice is a tour guide, and she has a tour guide experience in Siargao before, Cas.
Yeah, before.
Yes.
But suddenly pandemic and Udet, so
yes.
as of now.
Can you tell a little bit short experience, or can you share a little experience from Siargao? What happened?
So for
Explain
me,
yourself first. I mean, introduce yourself. What's your name?
Hi guys, so Janice Gomez. So I've been working in Siargao for 5 years, but due to pandemic, so the resort is temporarily closed. Then we're planning to open it again, but Odette came, so it washed out everything. So my experience there, being in hospitality, it's really enjoyable. So you need more patience also. So you need to be very flexible also. And it should be the guest well served. You have the very best customer service so that your guest will be happy also. So that they will recommend you. And they will enjoy their trip. That's really important.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, being engaging in hospitality. I mean, hospitality is you have to interact or engage with or socialize people, especially in public, like in resort, in hotel. So, which part in Siargao are you working?
I was in the north part of Siargao. So usually, some of the guests they prefer to be in peaceful place. The north part of Siargao is very peaceful.
Siargao is very known place or spot that a lot of people or tourists visiting there. What is your best that you can recommend somewhere in Siargao? Is your experience a resort? Is it a nice place to visit in a tourist?
Yeah, highly recommended. For me, it's highly recommended, especially for the surfers. But if you're not a surfer, so don't worry guys, because it's nice also to swim. It's really nice beaches in Siargao, especially Alegria Beach. It's really calm. It's really clean. The water is really clear. Magpupungko Rock Pool. A lot of the beaches, especially in the north, it's really clean.
Yes.
So,
yeah.
Balagon also.
Wow. I haven't been to Siargao, guys, so I was really confused about Cas Janice about Siargao, and she been inviting me a couple of times, and I don't have time or low budget before, and right now I have more priorities than traveling around. So I was really interested to know about more Siargao because it's known for surfing. A lot of artists that they are there for surfing and whatever outdoor activities there, and it was amazing.
Yeah.
So
But
Yes.
right now, Siargao is still, they're still moving on from the Odette. So,
yes.
sad, but
They're recovering though.
yeah, they're still recovering.
Yes, and I'm sure tourists will visit there, like Boracay, right? So Boracay is
Yeah.
like before it's really beautiful spot to visit with the tourists, and now they're recovering slowly. So anyway, guys, yes, that's a short experience of my cast. Actually, my cast Janes and my his father is a brother of my papa also, and they visited us here. I think how far away from Gihungan to here, cast 4 hours or 5?
Yeah, mostly 5 hours.
Yes.
Usually 5 hours.
Yes, it will take 5 hours, guys. So that's why, even though I'm supposed to be in Dumaguete today, but I decided to stay here to stay here in just today, because tomorrow in the morning I will be heading to Dumaguete again for school purpose, because we have project that needs to accomplish, because we will be catered 50 to 40 person, because we have this event is a project in school, so we have to do this. So this would be my last project, and I'm almost done with school, so I have two priorities, guys, and of course family is always number one. So that's why we are trying to spend time together, even though a lot of things happens, stressness, so we have to reduce or refresh our mind. So that's why, guys. Do you like the place where we visit today?
Of course, guys. That's why it's very a nice day.
Yes, yes, guys.
So,
And there's nothing, saan siya, there's nothing can compete together with the family, guys. So, yeah,
exactly.
yes. And
so thank you, guys.
You're welcome,
Thank you for your
Cas.
time. Even though you're so busy, a lot of schedules to do, but you put your priority for the family.
yes,
So
of
thank you so
course.
much.
Thank you for coming. And yes, guys, that's our day going here. It's been raining lately. I think, because it's raining lately in the waterfalls. Then when we go back home, it's also there's a raindrops. And right now it's sunny day again. The weather here in the province is kind of it's crazy, but it's not good for the plants though in the farm, guys. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the contrast. So it's been a while that I haven't made videos, guys. I think more than month now, because I don't have, it's making content, to be honest, it's not easy. It is not really easy, especially if you're making a subject, or you put up a subject and to make content. It's okay if your content is life vlogs, like, okay guys, we're here and that and this, but if you're gonna think a subject that if your viewers will get a lesson, like most of my viewers are like they are what is this, mature. They're not like other bloggers, like, okay guys, there's just fun there and that, some entertainment, and it's hard to adjust their level of I don't know, mindset, or their perception, perspective. So it's hard for me to do between school and store. So so sometimes I'm not really exploring around, I'm not all the time going around, guys, and I am more on house now, house and store, because even though I couldn't sleep at noon time, because kids buying candies and something like that, even one peace or something like that. It's hard, guys. But it was fun, guys. Making me busy, it was nice. It makes me it was challengeable. It was challenging, guys. So I know you know already, guys, but at least I'm making videos even once. So just to keep you updated. Anyway, guys, if you would like to suggest content that you'll be liking, yes, just comment down below. And if you would like to visit a waterfalls here in Negros or in my hometown, just let me know, or maybe I could assess, or I could still tour guide if I have time. Yes. And I love traveling. I love exploring places. It's been a while I didn't hike or going to waterfalls. So ever since just now with family again, but sometimes I'd like myself also to keep my life private. Like I want more private. So so anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. It's a simple video. It's all about life vlogs and family. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notifications for you to be updated when I have new videos comes out. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, everyone. God bless. Bye, nakas.
Bye. Please support my cousin.